Is your PS5 controller unresponsive? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the battery level. When the PS5 controller is not working first, check the battery level of your PS5 DualSense controller. Here is how you can do that. Turn on your PS5 console and log into your user account. Press the PS button in the center of your DualSense controller to bring up the control center. Navigate to the accessories icon at the bottom of the screen using the right stick or directional pad. Select the accessories option. A pop-up will appear showing the battery level of your controller. The battery level is displayed as bars, 3 bars for full and 1 bar for low battery. Method 2. Connect with a USB cable. Use the USB cable provided with your PS5 to connect the controller directly to the console. Make sure you use only the official cable and not any third-party accessories. This helps in checking 2 things. One is recognition. This ensures that the console recognizes the controller when it's plugged in. The second is charging. When you attach the USB cable, it confirms that the controller starts charging once connected, indicated by a charging light or on-screen notification. Doing this can often resolve connectivity issues and is a good troubleshooting step to ensure your controller is in proper working order. If it doesn't work, there might be an issue with the controller itself or the cable you are using. You can change the cable and check. If you are interested in purchasing the PS5 USB cables, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. Method 3. Reset the controller. The next thing you can do is reset the controller. To do that, turn off your PS5 controller. If it's unresponsive, you can leave it on. Turn the controller over and find the small hole next to the Sony logo. Use a small tool like a paperclip or a pin to press and hold the button inside the hole for about 5 seconds. Use a USB-C cable to connect your controller to the console. Press the PlayStation button to turn it on. Now check. Method 4. Troubleshoot button problem. If a button on the controller is stuck and there is an analog stick problem, clean the controller. Sometimes foreign substances can accumulate on the base of the analog stick or button, causing issues with their performance. To resolve this, use a gentle cloth to remove any dirt from the base of the analog stick or button. Ensure that you carefully clean the area to avoid any damage to the controller. Regular maintenance can help keep your controller in good condition for optimal gaming experience. Method 5. Update the system software. Make sure your PS5 system software is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 6. Contact support. If all else fails and the PS button still remains unresponsive, it's time to reach out to support for repairs. Make sure to have your warranty cards available if it's still within the warranty period. The support links are provided in the description below. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when the PS controller is unresponsive. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solutions solve your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.